Hi, I'm Nick Moore from Kramer Electronics. In the last film, we talked about the Kramer DIP-30, which is a 2 HDMI and 1 VGA in auto switcher with HD-Base-T output. This time, we're going to talk about the DIP-30, which is a very similar product with 2 HDMI inputs and 1 VGA and the ability to auto switch between them. This time, the output is on HDMI. So here we can see the HD-Base-T output on the DIP-30 and the HDMI on the DIP-30. And the other difference is that the DIP-30 has a 12 volt DC input, not the 48 volt DC, because as it's HDMI out, it can't provide power over HD-Base-T out, which the DIP-30 can. The DIP-30 is an ideal product for installations where the display, or the next device in the chain, is less than 15 meters away from the DIP-30. And that means that you can just use an HDMI cable to connect the two devices. This means that you can take advantage of the lower cost of the DIP-30 and the fact that you may not need an HD-Base-T receiver if you are working with the DIP-20, for example. So the DIP-30 is ideal for installations where the transmitting box is going to be placed within 15 meters of the display. That means that you can take advantage of the lower cost of an HDMI transmitter and just use an HDMI cable between the transmitter and the display. So here we've got a fairly typical installation with a satellite television feed coming in on input 2 and the ability to connect a laptop to input 1. And you can see I'm going out to input 3 on the display. Now all I need to do is connect my laptop to input 1 and the switcher will automatically select the latest input. And it takes about 4 seconds to switch, and some of that is dependent on the ability of the display to resync up. So there's my desktop just come up, and we can show also that switching manually you can actually achieve faster switching speeds. In order to neaten the installation, the DIP-30 could be placed under the table using the L-shaped brackets that are provided, or it could be placed in an architectural solution such as our T-Bus 10 XL. For more information on the DIP-20 and DIP-30 and the sister product, the WP-20 wall plate, please visit our website, or you can always give us a call. Thank you for watching.